facility. Today we'll be delumping papaya through our 196 Comil using our delumping tooling. We'll be running at approximately standard speed of 900 RPM, and we'll be collecting the delumped pieces for later evaluation. We'll now take a look at the delumped papaya, and as you can see, all the pieces have been separated without damaging the actual fruit. We'll take a quick look at the actual tooling that was used for the delumping process, and this is what we call our typical raisin tooling, but it's used for more than just raisins. We use it for any product that's sticky in nature, usually dry fruits, that are required to be separated and yet not damaged. So you see we have very, very gentle round arms on both the impeller and on the screen in order to allow the product to be separated without being damaged. For our second test, we'll be delumping kiwi pieces. We have slowed down the mill to about 500 RPM, and we'll be processing one of the bags at this moment. We need to fit them a little bit slowly because of the input diameter versus the size of the pieces. On a larger unit, this would not be a concern at all. From this test, and as you can see, we have separated the pieces so that we're keeping the the kiwi pieces as whole as possible by slowing down the RPM on the mill. For our third test, we'll be delumping pineapple pieces. We have the same setup as our previous test, running at 600 RPM with our 196 Comil and our delumping tooling in place. As per our previous tests, we've been able to take the lumped pineapple and break it up into individuals themselves. We're going to be conducting our fourth test. This time we'll be using the tart apple pieces, again with a 196 Comil, running at 650 RPM. Once again, the result of delumping the pieces has divided each piece of fruit individually, as we have for the last 3 or 4 tests. We're about to conduct our 5th test on the agglomerated fruit. This time we are delumping mango half slices. Again, we're running with a 196 Comil. We've tried to maintain the RPM as constant as possible, around 600 RPM. And again, trying to break the pieces apart without damaging the actual fruit. For our last test, we were delumping mango halves, and again, as you can notice, we were able to take all the little pieces apart without actually damaging the mango halves.